Good morning, WRCC fans. We've got a real treat for you this morning. Something a little bit of a break from the norm because we obviously usually have later models in. It's a 1958 Clarendon Grey Morris Minor two-door saloon. So, body coloured wheels, which I think look really nice compared to the cream contrasting ones that they usually have on. The paintwork on it's absolutely lovely, as you can see. Really nice original car. Beautiful colour. As I say, it's a break from the norm. I like the earlier cars. We'll go around her, then we'll go around her again, and then we'll do the interior. So, nice panel fit, trafficators that work. They've got LED elements in them apparently. Mechanically it's really good, really nice smooth engine. 948s are renowned for being smoother than the 1098 counterparts anyway. Gearbox, there's a problem with it, but we're going to put a new one in with a new clutch as well at the same time. As I say, the body works nice, panel fit's good. As you can see, it's really nice and clean. There's the odd blemish on it. I mean, she's an old girl, there's bound to be the odd imperfection, but it is really nice and clean, really nice and original. Put you on the portrait now. So, interior is lovely, real leather, as with the earlier models, 1958, in good order. The odd slight nick, but I think that adds to the character of the car, to be quite honest with you. Red with white pipe, as is the back seat. Carpets have obviously been replaced at some point very recently because they're in very nice order. The odd nick in the headlining, but again it's original, and I think, and the sun visors are original. I think it adds to the character of the car and its age. Banjo wheel gold clock, as with all earlier cars. Pull start. It's got 7 keepers, showing 70,177 miles. Start her up for you. It's really nice and clean into the engine bay as well. So, as I say, the engine's really nice and smooth, runs well. Nice and clean in the engine bay. Alternator upgrade. Good inner wings. Good on the bulkhead. Flitches, tie plates. All the structure's really nice and clean. Zip back and we'll go around again. Have a look in the boot. So, wing to body, no problems there. All piping's nice and clean. Section there between the tank and the boot aperture's all good. Inner wings, all really nice and clean. Obviously had a restoration, but they've kept the originality of the car when they've done it, because the fixings are all new, and obviously she's had new wings fitted front and back, and they've been fitted very recently as well. Looking at them, paintwork's really nice. Really nice clean car. It's turn you back round this way again. So it's obviously been restored, but they've kept as much of the original as possible. So it's really nice, local show quality, going out for country drive car. It's on at 10,750, which given its quality I don't think it's asking too much, to be fair. If you'd like further details, as always, give us a call. My number is, or our number, West Riding's number, is 01422 881 221, and ask for Dan, which is me. Send us an email to inquiries@westridingclassics.co.uk, or the full details should be on the website www.westridingclassics.co.uk by the end of the day. But if you're after a nice quality early car in a colour that's a bit different. It's got the nicer finish in the interior with the leather and the banjo wheel and gold clock. And then this is probably the car for you. But as always, don't take my word for it, come and have a look, see what you think. Visit us in Halifax. Thanks for your time.